Hello, my friends, I'm back. I know it's Sunday and it's gorgeous outside, so I don't want to keep you very long. What I want to talk today is about tools that crafters use, paper crafters especially, and tools that we sell in our Stampin' Up! Online store and through our catalog. So I have a special offer for you. When I'm done, I will explain it all. So this is what I consider a very well stacked basic toolkit. Let's start with our paper snips. These are really the best paper snips that you can find. They are sharp to the tip. They have a protection cover there. So that needs to be in your toolbox. You also need a bone folder. Mine has been loved a lot. It's cattle bone, it's real bone. And you use that to crease your card stock, any folds you make. You also need basic adhesives. So this is Tombow. Many of you might have seen this. This is our multi-purpose liquid glue. It's my go-to glue. Something else we have is called Stamp and Seal. It's like a tape runner, and it's very easy to use. You have to get used to it, but it's good. I like the size of it. Many of the other products that are out there are much smaller, and since I have quite large hands, I like the size of it. It's the Stamp and Seal is a very handy adhesive. Then let's move this to the side. Then we have our glue dots, our Stampin' Glue dots. These are mini glue dots. And they come on a roll. There's, I believe, 300 on the roll. So what do you see? So there is a little, can you see them there? So these are glue dots, very sticky, work really well. So I use these and I just take them off the roll. And they are, I couldn't do without these. I fasten a lot of my gems, my ribbons, these go on with the mini glue dots. Stampin' Dimensionals, I showed them in my demonstration. So these are the larger ones. I'm just gonna see if I have an open one here. Yeah, so these are the larger ones. And then there is also the mini ones. The mini ones are like tiny. Yeah, so the larger ones, I never throw away the edges, so I use everything. I use these. So there is, in the mini ones, you have 3 sleeves, so there's 720, and I think there's 300, 300 in the larger ones. So these are a must to give your card depth, to pop up things. It's something very important. If you make any boxes or anything that needs to have bags that need to have real strong adhesive, this is our tear and tape. This is double-sided tape. So you put it down and you go over it with your finger, it sticks. So the tear and tape, you don't need much. I don't use it very often, but it's good to have, tear and tape. The next tool that I use almost every day is my take a pick tool. So this is not a murder weapon. This is just a pointy pick tool, and I'm gonna just show you how I use that. So I made these cards yesterday. During our team meeting, we made these cards, and I'm gonna take I'm gonna do these guys here. So I'm gonna take, so this is what I do. I just pick them up, and I'm gonna do another one up here. So that's what I do, rather than picking things off with my finger, or you could use the other end of the of your scissors, but I like to do that. Now this tool also has another end. This tool has this side. So this side is a little spatula, and this is to help you get things off somewhere, or if you made a mistake, like if I wanted to get this peach off, I would just go in underneath and it comes off. Okay, so it takes the glue off. I will glue it back on after. Okay, so that is what I use the take a pick tool. Now this tool also has another end, and the other end is it's got putty on it, and with the putty, I don't know. I have to see if I have any. Yeah, I have something. These might work. So you stick that on and pick it up, and we'll stick it down here. Okay, so the putty, you want to get more, you just wheel it out, and then it gets more. There's more comes out, and you stick it down. Again, it's for anything like sequins, mainly sequins. That's what I would use it for, and I just yeah, that's a very handy thing to use. Okay, and last but not least, all the stamps we have, we need to clean them. And this is our Simply Chamois stamp cleaner. It's a chamois. There's no if or but. That's all it is. But it's really good. So I want to show you my chamois that I got 3 years ago. So this is what the chamois looks like. It looks like this right when you get it. And after the first time you use it, it will have the ink color on there. Now you just wash the chamois under water, clear, and rub it and go like this, and until there's clear water coming out. This is just discoloring. It does not mean that the chamois is dirty, so my fingers are not dirty. So this is the chamois, and when you have a stamp on here, so let's put one on there. So that's my block D. So you stamp, and then you just go like this. So there's no chemicals required, and your stamp will be clean. Okay. This chamois can go in the washing machine, and it needs to be. So I store mine. That's what I use mine. I have a tray in there. Other people use a stamp case. And I just like this because I can move it around a little more. You can also cut it in half and have 2 chamois. Keep one for better days, and that's what you do. So that is my basic toolbox. And if you order the toolbox today or tomorrow, I will add in a free block D to get you started with your stamping journey, or to get you going with your stamping journey. Oh, we forgot this guy. So that's my basic toolbox, and this is your gift from me. A new one, obviously. This is a much loved one, and I will throw that in. And so a clear block has a value of $11.50. Okay. So this, let me just clean this out. So the contents of this is a product value of $92.25 before shipping and tax, and this is $11.50. So if you order this, you get that, and this is $92.25 plus 10% shipping and 15% tax. Okay. So this would be yours if you order it today or tomorrow. PM me if you have any questions. And if you have another order that is the same or more, I will throw in a block D for you in any case for orders for the next 2 days. Thank you. Bye-bye.